Hi guys, welcome back to Andy's Adventures, and first of all, thanks for continuing to watch and support my channel. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome on board, and just thank you to all my old subscribers. Anyhow, we seem to have disappeared off the internet for the last 5-6 weeks, and there is a big reason for that. One thing was that we got kicked out of our old place by our landlady, who decided she wanted to sell the property and gave us a section 21. Bit of a nightmare, right? So what happened? Well, this happened. Yep, we had to sell all our stuff, and the stuff that we wanted to keep but we couldn't take to the van, we've literally had to put in storage at stupid money a month, £100 plus a month, just to store a pile of rubbish basically. But yeah, that's that. And what else has happened? This also happened with the van. Yep, had problems with the van. So basically we had a new fuel injector replaced because the van was running absolutely crap. And then once I had that done, I went to a place in Birmingham. To be honest, I'll give them a little shout out. It was a place called Viking. Yeah, Viking. I'll put a link down below, to be honest, because they did a really good job. It cost me £450 to have a new, and it was a brand new fuel injector fitted, whereas most of the places, like local places and that, wanted to charge me over £1,000. So well worth just visiting Birmingham. It's a 60-mile journey there, but it was worth it in the end. So saved quite a lot of money. So then, yeah, we've had the van fixed, and the next thing to do was obviously make sure that it was all roadworthy and that we had somewhere to go and somewhere to live. So the first place we went was a little stayover in Shrewsbury, just by the river, which turned out quite a nice night, to be honest. Just playing up there, you can see it, and I'll show you now what happened. So this was our first night after we'd left our home. We decided to stay local, so we went to Shrewsbury and parked alongside the river there, and basically had a lovely peaceful night. We'll definitely be using that as an overnight stay again. And what a wonderful view when we woke up in the morning. campovers, you know, stop overnights and that. Basically free places, and yeah, it's brilliant. It's working out quite good. We are occasionally just renting a room somewhere just for a nice peaceful night and a shower as well. So that's working as well. What else can I say? Just keep watching the videos, and my content will get much better. As I say, it's just the fact that for the last few weeks everything has been hectic, to be honest, absolutely hectic. You know, sorting things out, moving is got to be one of the biggest nightmares of your life, I think. And certainly moving from a flat or a house or something into a small van, to be honest, which is what our van is. You do notice it's difficult, yeah. So yeah, anyhow, on a good note as well, right, on this video I've come with some ideas. As we've gone along, I've thought this isn't going to work, that isn't going to work, so I've come up with a few ideas. Keep watching, and please comment, and like I said, please like and subscribe. It doesn't cost anything to be nice, it doesn't cost anything to like, but it really helps us out as well. Anyhow, thanks, and keep watching. So I sat thinking the other day about charging my power bank, and you know, we don't, well, basically we haven't got a solar panel as such to charge the power banks, but I have, however, got a solar panel fitted to the roof on this, which charges the leisure battery. So that got me thinking, I wonder if I put a socket, 12-volt socket, directly to my leisure battery, to my 12-volt system, and then I'll just charge my power banks from that. So that's what I've done. So yeah, so you can see that my idea in principle should work, that the leisure battery is charging my EcoFlow, and the solar panel is keeping the leisure battery charged,